Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be kind of giving you a little sneak peek demo of my one-on-one business credit mentorship client portal for those that are interested to know more about my one-on-one business credit mentorship. If you are interested though, the banner's right there. Just text 937-423-9954. I've recently created this portal and for a limited time, I'm taking on a few more students and offering 30% discount off my normal prices. I have 4, 6, and 12-week programs, and I do offer payment plans. Unlike before, past mentorships that I've done in the past 3-4 years, I wasn't able to offer a payment plan, but now I'm able to. Also, aside from the tremendous one-on-one value that I bring you on building your business credit, I'm also able to report your payment. It doesn't matter if you're on a payment plan or you paid the one-time fee. I'm still able to report those monthly. If you're doing the 12-week plan, I can report for 3 months to Equifax Business, Credit Safe Business Bureau. If you do, say, the 6-week, then you'll get 2 months reporting. And if you just do, obviously, the 4-week, then you're to get 1 month reported. So that's just a little perk that I was able to put out there because I'm a data furnisher. So I know it's not a huge deal, but, you know, it's just a little extra added perk. So anyways, I'm going to keep this video very short. If you are interested, text 937-423-9954. And for those waiting for all this new content that I'm putting together, just stay tuned. I'm putting together so much content. You can see the screen there, and then behind me, the cards. I've changed the format a bit here in my studio. So, and again, just give this video a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's get right into it. So the client portal right here, don't register unless I tell you to, because I have to pre-screen and qualify you first. Because the mentorship program is not for everybody. So I need to qualify you. I would say I get 20 to 30 texts a day. Out of those that can afford it, I would say 70% I'm not able to qualify. Anyways, let's jump over the dashboard real quick. Once you make your down payment, if you're on a payment plan, you can still get started right away, or you pay the one-time fee. It's up to you. I'll have you register. I'll tell you to, register on there. After you do that, then you're going to set your username and password for the secure portal. So at that point, then it's going to take you to this page. Keep this in mind. Do not hit schedule a call. When you hit schedule a call, it takes you to the paid call, and I don't know why it's integrated like that. So I need to change that. That's not to schedule a call for the mentorship, the weekly calls that we do. That's not to do that. Anyways, you're going to see this page. That's the intake form. You're going to need to fill all this out, check what's applicable, and then upload your business credit report, or you can provide me the login details. That's so I can do the audit. So after you completed that, give me time. I need to do the audit, but I will probably assign tasks for you to do instantly that are just foundation steps that everybody needs to do regardless. And if you've already done those steps and I've assigned them to you, then just note it in there. I'll show you that here in a moment. Okay, you're going to see right here, it says chat with Josh. That's the function that you need to click anytime you want to talk to me and communicate with me. If it's an in-depth question related to something that we're actually doing on your business credit, I would advise to put it in the chat section just so I keep track of everything. Everything's organized. That's the whole reason I built this portal. Of course, if you have a quick question, you can just text me, but I would advise you to put it in here. If you have a question, you're just going to click the button at the top. It says conversation and what it's related. So let's just say Sam's Club business credit card app. And then you're going to put in your question. It says type message here. Josh, I need help with the app. That's just example like I'm giving. So then you hit send. But if you have a screenshot of whatever question you're asking me, click this paperclip and you can upload, attach any file as well for me to review if it's a screenshot or something. And then you just hit send, and then that will be sent to me directly. I will be alerted, and then I will follow up back with you. So that's just the one-on-one chat section. This is the main section. That's the tasks to do. Every week I assign you anywhere from 4 to 8 different tasks to do based on your situation. These are custom. They're tailored directly to your situation. So out of all the students that I have, not all of them are doing the same tasks every week. Now, some of them, yeah, they are doing same tasks, but not at the same time. Say week 1, this student is doing, I don't know, say Uline, and then the other student is doing a divvy or a bill or a RAM business credit application. So it really is customized. After I do the audit, I look at everything, everything that I'm going to have you go after when it comes to the actual business credit applications and credit lines. I won't assign it to you unless I'm 80% confident based on your situation that you're going to be approved. A lot of my students, they get too excited and want to hurry up and apply. I tell you, refrain from that. There's a right way to do it and a wrong way, and don't get too excited. It really does take strategic planning and patience. Even if you're one of my current students right now, be patient. There's a process, and I know what I'm talking about. You guys can see all the cards. I mean, This is just a stack here, you know. But anyways, these are just example tasks. Some of them are actual real tasks that I've assigned to students, like say Better Business Bureau. I'm telling you, get listed because you need listed with Better Business Bureau. It's very important. Just to give you an example, this is Google local business profile. This business I assigned, they need to do this because they don't have it, and I explain how to do it. You need to have that information. Very important. Can't stress it enough how important an online presence is. You can have all the trade lines and credit lines and business credit scores you want, but if you have zero online presence, I tell you, you'll get denied with some underwriters, or you can get lower limit. Every week, I'm going to give you custom tasks based on tasks that you did on week 1 will dictate the tasks that I have you do on week 2, and so forth. It's a repeat process week after week based on your approvals and denials from week 1. That's how I decide what you're going to do week 2. And then week 2, based on the outcome of those, then I start fine tuning it. It's just a repeat process and gets better and better as the weeks go. There's also like files where you can load files if you want. Load a PDF file, business registration documents for me to look at. You can do that there. Anytime I send you a task or a message, you will get an email and alerted. Anyways, it is 30% off right now. There's 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and 12 weeks. Just text the number right there, 937-423-9954. I'm only able to take on so many students at one time, but because I built this portal for the last couple months it took to build this, it's allowed me to be able to take on more students. Really want to be around 20, 25 max, and I'm at, I think, about 20 right now. Some are ending, so it depends. I should have spots available. That's the only reason I'm able to do this, but it's still one-on-one. It's still custom. It's just I have everything in one place instead of doing what I was doing before, where it's just by phone only and we go back and forth through email. I've got a lot of feedback from my students, and I'll tell you 90% of my students, they appreciate the portal now. Once I set them up on the portal, they're like, God, this is great. I can do these tasks when I get off work. Some of these students of mine, they have 2 full-time jobs, or they're running their business and they have a part-time gig job, and, you know, kids, family. They're only able to do tasks at 3 o'clock in the morning, and that's okay. That's why I built this portal, make everything easier for both, be more productive and more efficient instead of wasting time. So that's about it. Anyways, stay tuned for other videos. I know some of you guys are maybe sick of me talking about the mentorship. Just stay tuned. I have tons of new content to set up the new studio layout, have tons of new videos coming out very soon. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.